Hello everyone. Today I'm going to go over my my Python project. I'm creating an OS for a Raspberry Pi. It's basically just going to be a little terminal computer. I'm going to upload this Python code to the Raspberry Pi, and then it's going to run it. So I have to order those parts. It's going to be like $200, so it'll be a while till I complete that. But for now, I'm done with all the coding, or at least close enough to done with all the coding where I can show you. So yeah, it's pretty simple. How it works is while the program's running, it'll just print this. What is your name, and you input your name, and then this whole thing will show up. And Python's really good at visualize. You can visualize what it'll look like from the code, which is really nice. You can't do that in most other languages, so that's cool. So it's you have your input, and then it just says what you put in right here, and the whole thing is just a simple input output kind of thing. So it won't be. It's not complicated whatsoever. You could create this by yourself if you wanted to. Comment down below if you want the source code, because I'll give it. Basically, I just had, for a lot of it, I had an ASCII text generator, and I just put in there, and it looks awesome. And same thing for that. It was an ASCII art thing. And then how it works is it'll print, and it'll be a couple of options. You can exit, you can continue, and then it's setup, which is the command right. Where's setup? Print hello, print. Oh yeah, setup equals input. Right here, and then this is this setup equals input, and this little question mark is the number value that it has, which is cool and makes my life really simple. That works. So let's say, for example, if setup equals 2, you can input 2 right here, and then I'll just, that's not spelled correctly. There we go. Yeah, so if we input 2, we can put in our username, and then I'll just ask you to put in your credit card number. If you want to do that, you can. That sounds pretty awesome. It's not like this ever saves, so it doesn't hurt to put in your credit card number. If you could just take a video and then put that video on a Google Doc, that'd be awesome. I won't use your credit, I swear to God. Yeah, and you can put anything, and the program will just start again. And then you have a couple other options as well. You can find your IP address, which right here, there's nothing you can do with that, so I'm not worried about showing it. You can put the weather, but it's only for San Diego. I don't have it for any other cities because I live here, and I wouldn't use this anywhere except San Diego. So doesn't matter. And then one of my favorite ones is 6, where it'll create a file, and that file goes up right here, the Jackson OS txt. It's really simple. It's just inputs and outputs. It's very basic Python code. Anybody could do this. Fucking 5-year-old. I just wanted something that was simple that I could just quickly whip up. I did make a video about it a couple months ago, but I've actually removed a bunch of stuff as more correct. And I just cleaned up the code and just made it, originally there was no loop, so I added a loop. I added my YouTube channel, so every time you open this up, opens my YouTube. Yeah, it's pretty simple. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Bye.